I'm like around 2, and I just
That last cow that you saw go through, number 5226, it milks 18 gallons a day, which is a lot of milk. But also, 150 to 155 pounds a day is a lot of milk to go through that. Duration of about 19 minutes, close to it, but an average of 8 to 10 minutes or so. That's a lot of milk, folks. But there are some other cows that give a little bit more and a little bit less time, but kind of depends. But that's a lot of milk, and interesting to see how the cows are reacting to it. It's going very smoothly, as we all see.